transformed into center of learnings, the pandemic, an indelible chapter in our lives. I vividly recall being in class 4, preparing for an examination, when an abrupt announcement declared that closure of schools. Initially I was elated, no schools, no obligations, yet that fleeting joy soon faded as virtual learnings brought distractions, technical barriers, and a gradual erosion of discipline. I faltered, made excuses, drifted away from the diligent individuals I once was when the schools reopened. Reality confronted me. I grappled with academic uncertainties, diminishing confidence and self-doubt. Fear replaced the courage and hesitation overshadowed ambition. I realized that experience is the most profound teacher. With the encouragement of my teachers and also with the support of my parents, with the inspiration of my peers, I began rebuilding myself. I learned that experience is the most profound teacher. I learned that in much of doubt, one must not chase the motivation and observe the sacrifices, perseverance and silent strength. Then motivation finds you. Today, my greatest achievement not lies in the accolades, but in the person I have become. School life is the best experience and best rehearsal. So prepare well and write your own stories. Thank you. Have a great day. Signing off by M. Sri Kruti.
Thank you so much, Sri Kruti. That was very clear explanation about determination. Next, I would like to call M. Bhavani from 9th grade to talk about discipline. I am Bhavani from 9th grade. Today I am speaking about discipline. Discipline is not merely the external compliance with rules, rather. It is an instinct strength that transforms into tangible achievements. As students endorse us that remarkable performances and aspiration. In the era of instant gratification and incessant distractions, with confidence and dignity, we can take anything. Let us therefore embrace discipline not as an obligation but as a way of our life. For it is that we cultivate excellence and confronts life. I conclude with this word: discipline today lays the foundation for the success of tomorrow. Thank you.
గీత్తగాని మా ఇంటికి మీ ఇంటికి నడుమనిచ్చనెత్తగాని కట్టెల దడి